Weight is never the real problem. If you've tried to reduce weight in the past and haven't succeeded, or you've been holding weight for a long time and can't shed it, or maybe you have a lot of weight to reduce and you've been overweight for many, many years and you just think, well, this is my lot in life and nothing's going to change. Or maybe you like myself that has always these kind of 2 to 3 kilos that we're trying to get rid of, and sometimes we struggle to let that go, and as we do, we might put it back on. Whichever one it may be, I just want to tell you that I recently did a Meaningful Monday, and this was the title, weight is never the real problem, because it never really is the real problem. And if you want to go and watch that Meaningful Monday, please do. It's on my YouTube channel called Silva Method Australia, or my name, and you'll find it there. Now, what I've decided to do is actually run a workshop at the end of the month. You'll find the details below, which is really about reducing weight the Silva Method way. And why the Silva Method way? Because there are certain problems that are common to everyone when it comes to weight reduction. Either we lose motivation and we think it's too hard, or we can't do it, or we've tried it so many times before and it doesn't work, and you kind of feel down and you just kind of give up. That's just that kind of lack of motivation. The other one is self-sabotage, which I have to tell you, every single person on the planet has a level of self-sabotage. No one is excluded here. And when it comes to weight, we often do it in that realm. And as we reduce and go towards where we consciously think we want to be weight-wise, we take some self-sabotaging behaviors and reverse it all, the weight goes back on, and so forth. And the other problem that's quite common for people is that they think they've tried so many modalities before, or diets or things like that. Let me just tell you that diets absolutely don't work. That's my personal opinion. The only thing we need is a mental diet. We need to change something at the subconscious level. So the Silva Method works at the subconscious level and deals with all kinds of things, from self-image, which is the biggest deal when it comes to weight loss. There's another video, I'll put a link below. Please watch that video to understand the relationship between the conscious and subconscious mind when it comes to weight and your self-image, because your self-image is a self-correcting mechanism. And the other thing is that we also will work with anything to do with trauma or some core experiences like abandonment, rejection, things like that everyone experiences. So if you're looking to know how to reduce weight the Silva Method way, the details are below. Please book yourselves in, and I hope to see you there. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.